Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is February 12th, Wednesday, 2025. And as you can see, the profit for today is actually, it's not $1,681, it's actually $730. The reason for this is being the trade that I took on Tesla was pretty much a swing trade. So let's just get into the breakdown. We're all about transparency here on the channel. I'm not just going to tell you that, yes, I profited 16, because I'm just going to show you all the trades where I got in and then I got out. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so as we can see, Tesla yesterday was actually just a huge sell-off, pretty much almost 7% in a bearish pattern. As you guys can see, when I took this trade, the reason I took this trade is because I looked at the 180 day and we can see that Tesla all time from since 2024, we can see that it's pretty much down almost 25-30% from its highs in 2025. So you can clearly see that this is in the RSI, it's been oversold. So I pretty much told myself I'm going to take a quick swing trade. My aim was for $1,000. However, with everything that's been going on with Tesla and tariffs and Trump and just so much news, the company has just, it's yet to actually regain and recover, for it to recover and actually get back to the prices that it once was. So when I took the trade, I got in 100 at 337. If we can go back to the daily chart here, just to show you that when I got in, we can clearly see that the pattern was a downtrend. So I definitely got in a little bit too early. However, like I said, it didn't matter what price target I got in from this. My stance for this trade was to do a swing trade. So I was comfortable holding it within a week, a month, 2 months. That's fine. You know, for me, the next day after it sold off, the reason why you're seeing $1,681 is because it ended on the day in a red. So once you see that, I actually have the video where I can show you where I sold out, but I can just show you really quickly. You can see that I got out 345, almost at the highs of the day. It went up. I think it hit 346 for today, but my thing is, I felt like 700 was good enough for me. I don't need to actually chase to make that $1,000. Again, it's just been so much bad news with Tesla recently that you can clearly see that as soon as it hit 346, it just started selling off again. Once I get my profits, I take it. Not quite the price target I was aiming for, but you know, 700 is still something, you know, very valuable to me. So yeah, I can actually show you the video here when I was getting ready to sell out. We can clearly see that it's 700 and not 1600. I just want to make sure that you guys understand that this is how I actually do my trades. So yeah, with that being said, I think Tesla has a lot more to recover, and I definitely think it can recover to 360, maybe 380 or so. However, the question is when. Given that all the news that has been going on with the company, you know, Elon has been facing so much backlash and everything, trying to buy OpenAI and all of this, just bad publicity, bad promo for the company itself. What have you guys actually been doing? Did you guys actually trade these past days? I know yesterday was pretty much a red day for most stocks, not every sector, but again, I was just focusing on Tesla. Did you guys actually trade Tesla with this crazy, you know, chart that we've been seeing with this sell-off? Are you planning on buying, planning on selling out? Again, this is just, I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you guys, you know, how I actually do my trades, full transparency. So I did not, you know, actually make 1600. I made 780. If you do the calculation between 337 to 345, 100 shares, you can see that it's close to 730. All right. So yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to point out that the total profits that I've traded with all the companies so far, I've taken trades with Nvidia, Google, Netflix, and Tesla, and we have a total profit of $8,522.81. Just absolutely amazing. It's just been a couple trades here or there. You can go back to the videos and see you know, I've been fully transparent with this account, and we're gonna see how we can grow it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What are you guys actually trading these days? Are you guys, you know, let me know. Have a discussion in the bottom. Let me know. Are you guys actually planning on trading these times? Are you guys actually planning on trading with the market as it is right now? We can see that most other stocks have been going up. Others like Tesla, it's just been getting bad news with the tariffs and everything. You know, we've seen a lot of other companies actually been hitting their all-time 52-week. And yeah, all right, so you know what to do. This is YouTube. You know, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.